Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Fully Automatic Washing Machine. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Robson Full Automatic Washing Machine. Compact design and large load capacity, full automatic system, easy and safe to operate, multi-function control panel, automatic imbalance adjustment, and adjustable foot. Number 4. WANAI Full Automatic Washing Machine. Full automatic system, multi-functional control panel, compact design and large load capacity, automatic imbalance adjustment, convenient operation, water level and mode control. There are 10 programs, 8 water level selection, and LED display on the control panel. All functions and operations. Number 3. Costway Full Automatic Washing Machine. 2-in-1 function with 1 tub, large capacity and easy operate, compact and energy saving, humanized design, automatic adjustment of unbalance. Comes with spacious capacity and powerful motor. The washer can wash up to 8.8 pounds of clothes or other items. Number 2. Life Plus Full Automatic Washing Machine. This fully automatic washer has 8 programs, including standard, spin, speedy, soak, gentle, air dry, retain water and tub clean. Among them, air dry can make the clothes drier than ordinary, spin so that the clothes will be completely dried in a few hours in summer. Number 1. Jontex Full Automatic Washing Machine. On the control panel are there 10 programs, 8 water level selections, and LED display. Jontex washing machine is compact and lightweight for you to easily move it in your home. It is easy and convenient for you to operate it and inlet and drain water. Clear and transparent lid allows you to see and monitor the water and washing condition